Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am actually showing you how I do my 5-minute routine. It takes me from 5 to 7 minutes depending how fast I go, but this is the look. Super simple, literally 8 steps, so super easy, super quick, and perfect for work days. So yeah, if you want to see how I came up with this look, then just keep on watching. I'm taking the Essence Fresh and Fit primer and I'm priming my whole face. It's a lovely dewy refreshing primer. However, it's not my favorite because it doesn't really make my makeup last any longer, so probably I will not be repurchasing this one. It's also in my project pan, so I'm trying to get through it, you know. Then I'm taking my foundation, and this is the Ken Boylan Makeup Play HD foundation. I am not a fan of this one. It doesn't really blend into my skin very well, and it is not long lasting at all. Again, it's in my project pan, so you know, I'm just trying to work through it. I'm using this Sport FX brush. It's a dual-ended brush. It's perfect for when you're, say for example, traveling, because it has a kabuki brush on one side and then like a fluffy powder brush on the other. So I use both of those sides, as you will see soon. For my concealer, I'm taking the Bourjois Radiance Reveal Concealer. This product, on the other hand, I love. It has great coverage. It does not dry out my under eyes because it's very dewy, very hydrating, and also it has great lasting power. Here I am just increasing the brightness because it was on very low. So I'm using the same Sport FX brush to blend this out. I'm using the kabuki side. To set everything in place, I'm using my Maybelline Shine Free powder. The pan here is real. I mean, it's an alright powder. It's not super soft, but it does the job, especially on an everyday basis. And you know, since it has hit pan, I'm just trying to use it up. And to set my face, I'm using the same Sport FX brush, but the fluffy powder side. For my brows, I'm taking the BBB brow gel. I love this little thing. The color payoff is very good. It's pretty amazing. It sets my brows in place and also tints them at the same time. So it is literally the perfect on-the-go product. It's super quick as well to do my brows using this little brow gel.
to bronze up my face, I'm taking my Little Benefit Hoola bronzer. Again, another Pant product. I love this bronzer and this shade. I'm definitely going to repurchase this bronzer whenever I run out of it completely. For mascara, I'm taking the Oriflame The One mascara. I got it in one of my boxes, and I'm going to be placing this little guy on my top and my bottom lashes. This is another really good product. It lasts all day and it does not smudge on my eyes at all. It's not waterproof, but I think it is kind of flake free, if you say so. Unfortunately, it's kind of hard to get Oriflame here in Ireland, so I will not be repurchasing. Although, like I said, it's a good product. I'm just cleaning up this mascara mess up that I did on my eyes. I'm using baby wipes. Works perfectly. And finally, for my lips, I am taking the Essence lipstick in the shade Cool Nude. It's a nice shade, but you know, it's not my favorite color. It doesn't really go well with my skin tone. It kind of makes my teeth look yellow.
So that is it for today's video. This is the makeup I usually do at work because I wake up a little bit later than it is now, because it's actually 10 to 6. Woke up at 5 to 8, have a shower and film this video in peace. So if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.